Yeah, blessings, giving Jah thanks for life, each and every day, yeah. Yeah, my people, big up on yourself. I don't know, say it's NEWLINK here from NEWLINK Productions, Zane? Yeah. So right about now, people, you don't know the thing, you don't know say NEWLINK is a vlogger. One of the vloggers them will always in tune with them viewers and them subscribers and people all over the world. You understand? And people always can reach out to NEWLINK, whether on Facebook NEWLINK Production, whether on Instagram NEWLINK Production, or my WhatsApp, which you will see on the most of my videos. You understand? They can contact NEWLINK and they can give NEWLINK stories, video, or anything. So people, I have one of my fans, one of my viewers, one of my subscribers in one of our neighboring Caribbean islands, people, which I don't really want to disclose the island too much, or if anybody start worrying themselves too much in the island, but we just want people to be careful of what them are going to do, or what them are trying to do right now with certain things, especially with women. You understand? Because it is said that now, people, in one of our top Caribbean countries right over there, so you understand, there is a lady. Them say she is very attractive. She look very nice. She have nice body because she got a gym go work out and them thing there. But people, them say behind this lady, she got a big capital A right behind her, people. You understand? So them say she got one of them big fat big A something there right behind her. And in the end, my viewers and my subscribers, the saddest part about this whole thing is, them said this lady, she is a police officer. And the next thing about it now, my people, where the part that touch NEWLINK, me have said, John, no star stuff, right? Them said this lady, right, in the Caribbean island where she is, for now, she not date none of the man them from this up. She not date no white man. She see a one type of man she a date and a one type of man she want. And the yardie them. She say only the yardie them people. You get me I say? So them say as the yardie them touchdown. Like when the song say touchdown from the airport. She just run and grab it. You understand, people? And you know what I mean? People who know her, them say them talk to her about it. And the response that she give is that, listen, somebody gave it to me, so I don't check. You understand? So yo, you when you link us, man, for the man them out there, man, you know, be careful of some of them squaddy here, you know. Because you don't know how, you know. You understand? As I tell people, I not going to disclose the name, I even not disclose even the island touch, because you don't know NEWLINK do it, you know. We don't really want too much of this, so, but you got to tell the man them, say, yo, and everything you want to say, you know, if you jump out there, as they say, and everything you say glitter is gold. Sometimes you see something and it looks so beautiful and nice, you understand? But deep inside, yo, there are a whole heap of things behind it. It come just like when you have a pretty flowers. And when you pick out some of the flowers, you see when the flowers turn ugly, are the same thing. Don't judge them. They say you never can judge a book by the cover. Remember NEWLINK tell you that, you know. So in the end, you know, my viewers and my subscribers, yo, for the hard man them out there, and everything, some of the wires on the go foreign on the touchdown. You don't see anything, you don't want to grab it. See? You just want to hold it and grab it and not think. And worse, because you see a squad in the feel say, yes, you want me good one. When me start drive now, me can bypass it, because yo, she not going to make me get ticket on them thing there. And me have a local case, she will make me get rid of it because of squaddy. But deep inside, you don't know what squaddy want to give you. Squaddy want to give you one of them big fat A something there. I mean, even now say, it will reach the H, but you're going to get one of them big fat A there. Eh? Yo, you have to be careful. See? And for the squaddy too. If you are watching NEWLINK Production video right now, because we know some people from all over the Caribbean country watch it. See? Hear what me I say as you see it? Me not call your name, me not show your picture, and you know what? Me not even talk where you're there. But all me I say is, look here, you need to stop. On a serious level, you need to stop. You cannot be going around and pushing and passing on that thing there. Even though somebody give you, but you don't know, say, you cannot render evil for evil. We know the situation go. Because when you did they do it. I know say it sweet at all. When I did that event, now it did nice at all. Come on, man. So, oh, yeah, come on. Maybe yeah, the man did that go for you something too. I just said, nobody go for that. Just do it like that. You understand? I just make him do it. So, in the end now, you cannot be taking advantage of other people's life. Because enough money now. You them do it now. Them go foreign. Seeing people, as them touching a foreign now people. Hear what them want to know. as them see anything them want grab it, and they have them nice family back home, you know. And in the end now, when them go mix up and catch all type of tangarang and bangarang and jungarang now, them bring it go back to the yard now, over there, so them go in the other place now, and go and give them family, eh? Woman not even know what I want. And for the same man them in the place too, who are going and lash around the thing to see them here. You understand? You have to be careful, yo. A serious thing, because when you know, there's so much treatment for them, something you know people you will see it, you ain't even know, and you will even pass and gone and left the man who have it few much years and the woman who have it few much years and you passed and gone. So in the end, you have to protect yourself. We not discriminate against nobody else, so yo, but in the end, you have to protect yourself, because yo, nobody no want to catch them something there. You understand? No, so nobody no want to catch them something there. Look the people, big old jeep over there suburb down the road. You understand? What a piece of thing. Look there now, as me I tell you these people, yo, man, no joke thing. John Star. No much man go there afraid now, because now me say thing is big over the place there, people. But as me tell you say, hold it on. See, some of you are my subscribers, man, me there. See there, driving, NEWLINK driving. See there, people. Driving on this buggy road, rock out the whole of the front end and the back ends, every part of the car, it rocket it, jock it, everything it do to the car. But you don't know, this is vanity, I don't check. And when you wreck insurance, I have to give me back my money. Full cover. You understand, people? Yeah, they say that. So you don't know my viewers and my subscribers. Here what? We appreciate everyone who reach out for the NEWLINK H3, you know. See? Yeah, man, we still need the support, people, because we not reach nowhere yet. If you tell you the honest truth. We not reach nowhere yet, people. So we still need the support from the people. NEWLINK H3 September 8th, and we just a couple days away. So you know that, got people. We have to do the thing, man. Because we don't know we are one team, you know. You understand? We are doing this for the kids, them. As we tell us, so we not look nothing. And they like say we are look nothing. This is 100% and 1,000,000% guarantee back to the kids, them. You understand? That stupid idiot. In tech, there's something so damn why they run about me. Think he might go straight. You see? When I see them buy their lights, that's how them drive on the road, you know. So you go, my people. Enough love, you know. Enough respect. Remember, attack. NEWLINK H3 September 8, 2019. Bless upon yourself, people. Peace. I'm out. Big up.